Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh today flagged off vehicles carrying relief assistance and personnel of State Disaster Response Force Manipur for flood victims of Assam from Kangla, Western Gate, Imphal. The relief materials were sponsored by the Department of Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur. The relief materials included 3 trucks carrying 135 quintals of rice, 102 bags of dal, 120 bags of salt and 120 boxes of mustard oil. Along with the relief materials, 40 personnel of SCRF would be deputed to help in search and rescue operations. Briefing the media, the CM expressed his solidarity on the worst situation of flood in Assam, which has affected around 22 lakh people of 28 districts. Mentioning that many Assam Manipuri are also facing many problems like shortage of food and drinking water due to flood, he informed that a non-government team consisting of volunteers from Mayday Lebun and Chief Minister's Martial Arts Group would also be sent to the areas of Silchar, Hojai and Lumding, which are largely inhabited by Manipuri, to provide support and relief assistance. That's all we have for now. Keep watching Orbital TV.